Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. The society would benefit from a ban on all forms of advertising because it serves no useful purpose and can even be damaging. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Advertisements are considered one of the best tools to promote the products which every company uses. There are multiple platforms to advertise, which include print and electronic media having variation in cost. These have detrimental effects on the viewers when products misguiding people are shown. Banning their adverts may make majority less familiar with their existence and usage. However, the all advertised products are not so much harmful, leading to devastating impact as these create awareness. To start with the need to ban the advertisements, these sometimes mislead and manipulate viewers as these promote junk food which further inculcates poor eating habits among children. The adverts of online games showing also distract viewers and encourage them to take part in these. Some adverts of luxuries encourage excessive focus on materialism and idealized lifestyles, which can foster dissatisfaction and unrealistic expectations, particularly among status-conscious individuals. However, the advertisements are not limited to their commercial purpose only, rather these have social purpose also. These create awareness among people about different areas so that they become conscious and do the needful. For instance, the adverts of the significance of polio drops to the infants. These have encouraged parents to take their children to the polio booth, further reducing the polio cases drastically in India. The celebrities like Amitabh Bachchan and Sachin Tendulkar have done the best in this area. As a result, the number of Indian children affected by polio is next to zero. Moreover, the advertisements provide not only a platform to businesses to promote their goods and services, but customers also get knowledge, education, and make informed decisions. Additionally, advertising supports the economy by driving competition among businesses, fostering innovation and creating jobs in industries such as media, marketing, and technology. In conclusion, although advertising industry is not without flaws, yet the complete ban is implausible, so instead of a ban, stricter regulations could address the negative aspects of advertising. There can be laws to provide guidelines for the makers to consider the ethical and moral responsibility before making them and regulate its practices so that the benefits can be reaped with a more balanced approach. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.